Let's learn how to make transactions using the ICICI Direct Watchlist. Once logged in, click on the Watchlist button you see here. Now, to place orders, click on the B button to buy and S button to sell. For order placement, here you can choose the type of order you want to place. Define the quantity you want to buy. Select between market and limit orders. Click on Buy to place order when you're done. To view the status of your orders, simply click on the Orders tab. To view your historical orders, click on the Date filter to set the date range you want to see. If you wish to modify, reorder or cancel your order, simply click on the three-dot button. You can also track your open positions in the Positions tab. And to view your portfolio, click on the Portfolio tab. Lastly, to allocate funds, click on the Allocate Funds tab and choose to withdraw or add funds to your account. And now you know how to transact using the ICICI Direct Watchlist. Happy trading!
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.